welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I sound horrible because I'm still sick. My whole family's sick, and it is what it is. I needed to get a video up, which is why I chose this particular one, because I knew it was going to go very quickly, because I only had one tiny little product left on the last update. This is my 23 in 2023 finale, and I'm a little bit sad about it because I was unable to finish my last product, but I did make some good progress on it. The last holdout is this tiny little pencil right here. It is the LA Colors lip liner in the color Sienna. I think I said it was LA Girl in my update, but it is LA Colors. It is so tiny. There is not much left. You can see right there. I was really hoping I could get it done, but it wasn't possible. And being sick, that wasn't going to happen. So there is my progress lines. You can see I started way up here. Now I'm down here. I've made amazing progress on it. It's just not done. So it is going to go back into my collection. I will probably put this in a project for next year and get it done early in next year. It's going to be kind of like a gimme product. I enjoyed it a whole lot, but you know, it was a massive pencil. I'm okay with it. I did like 99.9% of this project, and I'm very happy with that. Got my little Greta running around over here. I am very much looking forward to doing my 24 in 2024 coming soon. I have not picked the products yet because I still have one video to do where you guys are going to help me decide which eyeshadow singles or depotted eyeshadows. And then once I get that decision made with the help from you guys, then I will start putting all of the winners, the top vote getters into projects, and then I'll start filming, you know, my intros and that kind of stuff. And whew, it's going to be a lot. So hopefully I can get this under control and rest my voice and rest myself so that I can, within the next day or two, film for the eyeshadows. So, you know, I can get to planning, because I don't like to leave it this long, but you know, when you're sick, you're sick. I'm very thankful that I had some videos pre-filmed and I could just shuffle the dates on those. But you know how it goes when you're sick and your family's sick. It's the gift that keeps on giving. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.